gone too soon, dear son. A part of us was snatched away that very fateful day. A part of us vanished suddenly when death took you away. You meant everything to us. You were everything a son could be. Your future looked promising and good. Your future could have been so beautiful when could not death have spared you. You had your whole life ahead of you. It is a loss that's so hard to bear. We miss you and think of you all the time. How we wish we could have you back here, Kevin. Death took you away from our hearts, but never away from our hearts. We treasure our memories of you forevermore. Rest in perfect place, our dear son.
In loving memories of special cousins. The day you left and gained your wings, our heart just broke into two. We wish you could have stayed with us, but heaven needed you. Our left us with memories, and we loved you dearly still. No matter how much time goes by, you are very special with kindness in your heart and the love we had. Close together now, we are apart. I know I cannot bring you back, although I wish it every day. But a piece of us went with you the day you went away.
Praise God. Praise God again. Much tribute to our brother. Our hearts still ache with sadness and many tears still flow. What it meant to lose you, no one will ever know. We hold you close within our hearts, and there you will remain to walk with us throughout our lives until we meet again.
Mahorire iruhi. Thank you. Ona ni tondu wa gukorwo muri na ucamba. Nike tumwire ucamba uheanagwo ni Ngai. Ndungiheanwo ni mundu.